LPG Gas Leak Detector Series GT4220. Available in different models. Fixed Gas Detector GT4220 FLP. Standalone Gas Detector GT4220 FLP AD. Every year many incidents happen due to LPG, PNG and CNG gas leak. For stopping these incidents, use Ambetronics LPG, PNG and CNG gas leak detectors. It has a plug-in or standalone power supply feature. These detectors are specifically designed for detection of LPG, PNG and CNG group of gases. It has an external buzzer for alarm alert. Flame-proof enclosures are tested by CIMFR, ISI, and PESO. Some of the applications: food courts, restaurants, cafes, commercial kitchens, food processing plants, boiler section, commercial pantry, hotels. Design of the LPG, PNG and CNG gas leakage addressable system. Protect your people and premises with Ambetronics LPG, PNG and CNG gas leak detectors.